Hi, my name is Bo and welcome to Free Range Father. This is a video by Zeke on how to get a stuck tension bolt on a Brooks B17 moving.
Hi, my name is Zeke. My dad's got a Brooks B17 and the tension bolt doesn't allow for adjustment. I'm going to show you a quick video on how to get it moving. This is a special Brooks tension wrench. Let me show you what's happening with the bolt. Notice how I turn the wrench. The bolt moves with the nut. Now let me show you how to get it free. This is a cone wrench. It has a rubber covered handle so we won't mess up the threads of the bolt. Watch this. Notice now how I can move the wrench, but the bolt doesn't move. I hope that worked for you. If it's still stuck, try penetrating oil on the nut. Then use the cone wrench coated in rubber to try again. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos like this. Have fun riding!